This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set up an added to cart flow in Klaviyo. If you're managing an online store and want to streamline your customer engagement, setting up the added to cart flow in Klaviyo can be a game changer. Not only does it help you track when customers add items to their cart, but it also allows you to create targeted campaigns that can significantly boost your sales. So, let's dive in and get started. First up, you'll want to ensure you're in the right place to begin. Head over to the bottom left corner of your Klaviyo dashboard, where you'll find your brand name. Click on it, and you'll see a menu that opens up. From here, select Integrations. This is where you'll establish the connection between Klaviyo and your Shopify store, which is crucial for tracking activities like adding items to the cart. Once you're in the Integrations section, look for Shopify. Klaviyo's integration with Shopify is incredibly powerful, providing a host of automation and tracking capabilities. Click on Shopify to enter its setup page. Here, you should see setup instructions or a documentation link specifically for Shopify's added to cart tracking feature. This is where the magic happens. What you're looking for is a JavaScript snippet code. This code is essential as it will allow Klaviyo to monitor when customers add items to their cart on your Shopify store. Go ahead and copy this JavaScript snippet code. We'll need it in just a moment. Next, it's time to switch gears and head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Open it up in a separate tab so you can easily switch back and forth between Klaviyo and Shopify. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Online Store. This is where all your themes and site settings are managed. Under Online Store, click on Themes. This will bring you to a page displaying your current active theme, which is essentially the layout and style of your store. Now, find the three dots, often referred to as the More Actions button, located next to your active theme. Click on it and select Edit Code. This is where you'll be pasting the JavaScript code snippet you copied earlier. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert, I'll guide you through it. In the code editor, you need to locate either the product.liquid file or the main layout section file where your Add to Cart button resides. This could also be named something like main product liquid. Essentially, you're looking for the file that governs the product page layout. Once you've found the right file, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the code. Here's an important part. You want to paste the copied Klaviyo JavaScript code snippet right at the very bottom, just before the closing tags of the HTML document. Placing the code here ensures that it doesn't interfere with any other parts of your code and operates smoothly. After you've pasted the code, make sure to click Save. This is crucial because without saving, your changes won't take effect, and the added to cart flow won't be set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the added to cart flow in Klaviyo. By doing this, you've enabled your Shopify store to keep track of when customers add items to their cart, allowing you to engage your customers more effectively with personalized marketing strategies. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your e-commerce experience.